Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect blowout. You're going to need curlers with some clips and a straightener and a brush. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I brushed out my hair, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our straightener. We are going to curl the hair under and go slowly down and work on the ends a little bit. And what we're going to do now, well, it's still warm, wrap it around. Lovely. And we're going to clip this in. There. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing to this side. I'm going to try to get them rollers pretty quick. Just that way it gets that heat. Then we're going to clip it in. The clip part can be difficult, but just try your best. It's okay if it looks a little messy. That's kind of the point of this. So now I'm going to do the next few layers the exact same way, and I'll recap with you when we get to the top layer. Alright, so we're at like the top layer right now. It's okay if it looks messy. That is totally fine. The whole point of the curlers after you straighten it like that is just to help the curl keep its curl, and it is crazy how much it does for your hair when you do that. And you don't have to go so like thick with the sections. This is just what I'm doing. You can do smaller sections if you think that's going to work better for your hair. Alright, so now because these are front chunks, I am going to do like 2. Just because I really want a nice curl. We're doing good. We are doing good. We're almost done. And then once you see how I do this side, I'll stop and I will fix the other side, and then we'll do the bangs together. I do find hair makes me sweat, so that's why I try and do it first. I mean, if you have thick hair, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so one side is almost done. I'm going to do this side except for the bangs, and then I'll show you how to do the bangs. So we are here now. It's been a journey, but what we're going to do is curl it all under. I'm going to take one of my smaller curlers and I kind of like tuck the little hairs underneath. That way it actually stays because my bangs are so short. Probably could have been done a little bit better, but like we're just gonna have to work with it. And if I have to fix up the bangs, I have to fix up the bangs. This. Lovely. And then we're gonna do this side. Okay. Lovely. As you can see, like, if I have to fix up the bangs, I have to fix up the bangs. But what we're going to do right now is I got some hairspray. And we're just going to hairspray our hair. Nothing too crazy. And now I'm going to go do my makeup and my skincare, and I will show you the results here in like 15 minutes when I take it all out. Yes, I look nuts. Alright, so our makeup is all done, and we are going to take out our hair. I'm going to start with the bottom pieces first because they've been in there the longest. So you want to leave this in for like 15 minutes-ish, just to let it really lose the heat and hold the curl. So that's the curl. I have really long hair, so really if you want to see the ends of it, I have to stand up. Let's get this one holding on for dear life. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I love it. I love it. It's perfect. It's exactly what I was really hoping for. Did I forget a piece of hair? I think I did. So we're going to pause this and put this one in a roll. So we'll take out some of the other pieces while I wait for that one. We need to take out this one. That's beautiful. Perfect. It's okay if it's not perfect either. Oh, that's gorgeous too. Look at that. beautiful waves. Exactly what I was looking for. Oh, I'm so happy with how this is turning out. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I feel pretty. It looks good. All right, I'm gonna take out the rest and I'll show you the finished result. So this is the final look, all done and all blown out. I love the way my hair looks, and using the curlers after you like put some heat on it just really allows your hair to hold that curl for a longer time. So I hope this helped. I hope it was a good tutorial. I really enjoy this hairdo. I think it's super cute. It's Sabrina Carpenter inspired, obviously. I mean, that's how I cut my hair and everything, so I love it. I think it's beautiful, it's classic, it's chic. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Bye!